bit, yeah.
A little too long.
Yeah, but we just wanted to say we appreciate all the love on the last video.
Really do.
Really do.
800 views,
Yeah.
and plus still going up right now. Thank you guys so much.
Make sure you check it out. The 2020 Shelby GT500. We're gonna link it in the description.
Yep.
But
It was
today,
just a short little clip. The rest of it was a different Shelby.
Yeah. But it was a Shelby full video.
It was real
All
good.
Shelby.
It was real
All
nice.
Shelby.
Exactly.
Today's video is sponsored partially by S550parts. Check them out on Instagram. We're gonna link his stuff down below. But we got a splitter.
Yep.
So we're gonna explain to you what we're doing today.
So right now, this video basically is going to be installing the splitter. So we got to take the factory one off right now. You can even add this onto the factory one if you wanted, but I think we're going to take the factory one off and just run with this. So
Let's get started.
yeah, we got to get into it. There was a small mod that we did, not on camera. I just want to give you, the look at it. Tell us what you think, all right? Basically, I'm sure you can tell right now, but this is just like a stick-on part, but it does look pretty cool. It's the 350, kind of like scoop in a way. I don't know, like a vent. Grill insert, yeah, it's like the over fender stuff. It looks pretty cool though, I gotta admit. Same on the other side, and we did put back on the GT 350 grill extension. Kind of makes it look a little more menacing. I'm sure you can tell by the intro. But yeah, so just figured I'd get you guys up to date. There were these couple things. They're just stick-on, so it wasn't really worth recording, to be honest, because it's so simple and easy to do. You gotta line it up and 3M tape it onto the car, but other than that, that's it. So now we're gonna get into doing the splitter on the car.
We gotta jack it up, put it on jack stands.
Jack it up, put it on jack stands. We would roll it onto the ramps. The only problem is when we did it before, this stock splitter is so close already to rubbing. I mean, like millimeters away. So with this one being longer, we could roll the car onto the ramp and install it, but then we couldn't really get it off of the ramp. So we're gonna do jack stands, use what we got, and we're gonna get into it. So, all right, guys. All right, guys, so the next step is there's like 3 7mm bolts on each side of the splitter that you have to undo first, and then you have clips, like belly clips, right? Yeah. So what are we looking at? Yeah, there's 7s, and looks like a couple bigger ones. You might be missing a bolt actually back here. Looks like one's missing. Whatever. Alright, so next is you gotta take off the plastic cover that kind of goes underneath the motor.
The belly pan.
The belly pan.
That's what it's called.
And then you gotta take off the factory splitter, and then that's basically it until you...
Well, the splitter and the belly pan are one piece.
Are they?
Yeah.
On this one? Okay. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna take that off. And then we just gotta drill holes in the new splitter.
And everything mounts back up, hopefully.
Over there. Oh, well, okay. Right there. And then everything should mount back up perfectly fine, so. All right, guys. All right, guys, so we got all the bolts out, everything. Mo's working on getting the clips, so. It's a bunch of 7mm bolts and 2 10mm, but one we're missing off this car, so. But he's getting all of the clips, as you can see. It's a bunch of these, and basically, it was a 7mm here. Every single one of these like little channels going down, there was one. And the 2 10mm were right back in here. But he's just getting all the clips out, and then we'll be ready to pull this whole thing down. So when we pull it off, it's gonna be the whole splitter and this belly pan back here. So everything plastic from here forward is coming off. From, here forward, not there. Alright, so we'll check back in once we get it off.
Alrighty, guys. So, as you can see, everything is disassembled. This is the old piece. There's the new piece. So basically, to do this install, you're gonna want to take everything off, and then it's a lot of drilling and measuring, a lot of double checking. So you guys gotta be ready for that. But you're gonna take the old piece and put the new piece under it in a way, and use the old piece as a template to where it's drilled.
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna do. And I guess once we start doing that, I'll pick the camera back up. But till then, oh wow, I'm bleeding. Yeah. All right, see that? That's what happens. Random ass cut out of nowhere. All right, guys. So to be honest, so far, I'm not gonna lie, guys, this install is kind of tough. It's pretty custom. There's no instructions, no template whatsoever. We got a mastermind like Dan behind the drill right now.
So you got to line the
So
splitter
far.
up on top of the factory one. So what happens is this actually mounts on top of the factory splitter.
Yeah.
But so if you match all the holes up for the clips, this basically gets tucked underneath this, and it's like an extension in a way.
In a way, yeah.
Yeah. So as long as the holes match up decently well, it should be great.
okay.
Honestly, it should turn out fire.
And at least that's the way we're doing it. We're keeping the stock because that's I feel like that's the only way it should work.
And we don't. The other thing is we don't want to end up cutting these clips off right now.
So
You know,
we're
we
gonna
don't
see how it goes. Because I'd rather cut that part than stock, because once you cut stock, you know, shit usually starts going south. But yeah, guys, we're just checking in. There's not much to see besides holes. We'll show you like once the final product is really complete, I guess. But all right, guys, deuce.
My eyeball's not bad.
That's some good eyes, man. All right, guys, we got all the holes drilled. Right now, we got Dan mocking it all up. We actually had them all together just to, you know, make it easier on our own. We used the clips to hold everything together to make the holes. We're taking those out now. Everything is drilled. Hopefully, in the next clip, you should hopefully see it on the car.
Yeah. Well, a little bit more than
A
that.
little
We're
bit
trying
more,
to do
yeah.
a detailed install.
Yeah, my battery came up, guys. Sorry. But yeah, we're trying to do a detailed install. I'm gonna show you all the holes that we had to drill. So one sec, I'm gonna flip the camera. All right, starting on this side, you got to drill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 and 18 on the side. So 18 holes in total.
Yep.
Just to get this thing mountable. How you feel about that, Dan?
It's a lot of holes. I'm not gonna lie.
A lot of holes. But hopefully, this car don't see more than like 55 miles an hour, to be honest. But we just trying to make sure that this, it's sturdy and OEM, so that when I'm hitting 55,
It don't come off.
Don't come off.
Yeah.
Don't come off. But all right, guys, as you can see, the belly pan is still right there. And if anyone was curious on what it looks like when you do this, take a look. You can see the radiator, as they say, the radiator, as some people call it. Send Steve calls it the radiator. Yeah, we got those Pittsburgh jack stands. We got Dan still fiddling with getting these clips off.
Forgot the 2 more holes.
Where?
The one for each the clips.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Makes that 22 holes. And proves, even on camera, that we do forget.
No, that's 20 holes, 18 without it.
Oh yes, 20 holes. 20 holes in total, guys.
20 holes.
20 holes. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down, guys. We'll give you a little more time lapse. We'll be back. Yep.
All right, guys, so not gonna lie, this install was a little bit of a pain. Just a little. Just a little. Well,
Low key.
the one problem with it is it's a custom install, so it's your choice on how you want it to look and how you want it to go. You can run it with the stock splitter basically being run underneath it. I think some people might have done that. You can run this below the stock splitter and have it be an extension. You can basically do whatever you want. So we chose the option of actually just mounting it alone with the car, not to the stock splitter, nothing, just to have the look, because the little plastic clips, they're not long enough to go through all three pieces, you know, the bumper, the factory splitter, and then this one.
That's way too thick.
So it was too thick. Yeah, exactly.
Man, guys.
But it looks really good, so we're gonna show you here. Check this out.
It's Phil. Just shit I've been thinking about. Yeah. They still underestimating me. It's been so long since these people started hating me. Really, it don't bother me. I think I'm getting used to it. Fuck all y'all opinions, man. I ain't got shit to prove to you. Said I would get better, and I did it. Damn, climbing up this ladder, reach the top right in a minute. Y'all gon' beg for my forgiveness, especially you bitches who wasted all my time and then started acting different. Fuck it, it's whatever. Like I said, I'm getting better, spitting heat in any weather. I swear I'm God sent, but I don't got sense to my name. Fuck the fame. I just want a bunch of money like my name, Bruce Wayne. I don't want no clout. What's with all the doubts? Why the fuck y'all push me out? I'm just a damn human, and I might be kinda stupid. Every dream I have is lucid, with the one I live included. All my life I've been excluded from every fucking thing, man. It makes me go insane, man. I'm feeling like I'm Rain Man, watching every hand. I can't have nobody reaching in my prime when I'm peaking. I continue with my speaking till my body blood leaking.
That out. That's the final look.
Once again, shout out to our sponsors.
Shout out to S550parts. Follow them on Instagram. Check out their stuff.
Not gonna lie, the product is dope. Man, the install is low-key tough.
And it's not their fault, really. It's just this. There's no instructions, and it's a however you want it to do. And no templates. Yeah, we had to drill all the holes freehand, just judging where they should be, and we did a fairly good job. And underneath you can see that we're not rocking stock splitter. The belly pan is all bolted up and everything. The only thing is that on the stock splitter, you have mounting points for right here and here. There's three on each side basically to hold this corner, but it's not going anywhere. Like it's really slow. This is not no 200-mile-an-hour car, so and if it is, this won't be under 200. Yeah, at 200,
At 200, this is definitely coming off.
Yeah.
Like carbon fiber.
Exactly. So. But in other news, if a tool company would love to sponsor us, you know, Craftsman, DeWalt, Snap-on, either or, you know, we are open for sponsors right now. Because I gotta admit, having the right tool for the job makes the job just the easiest thing. It really does. Even if the job is super tough, as long as you got the right stuff for it. What?
Oh, I think it's my tool.
No, I took my DeWalt. Got everything back in here, camera mount, all that stuff.